Welcome to Science Week 2020 and the Climate Hack, where you will be given an opportunity to investigate the energy demand in Kerry and look at decarbonisation options. An energy balance is a statistical balance of where energy is used in a region, be it a country, county or town. Kerry has a slightly different energy balance compared to Ireland, and in 2018 used around 3,604 gigawatt hours, or 3% of Ireland's energy demand, with the main bulk of this coming from transport and residential, which make up 70% of the energy demand. Switching to the energy demand by fuel, we can take a look at the different fuels being used in the county. You can see straight away how much Kerry relies on oil, with heating and transport taking up a huge portion of the energy demand. Hopefully by the end of this event, you can come up with some solutions to reduce this greatly and increase the use of renewables. There are three challenges for you to choose from in this climate hack to come up with ideas to reduce the carbon emissions in Kerry. The first is to do with transport. Transport is the biggest emitter of carbon dioxide after agriculture, where private cars make up 22% of energy consumed in Kerry. A quick calculation shows that Kerry cars use a total of 202.991 gigawatt hours in 2018. So how is it possible to reduce this figure? Is everyone in Kerry able to cycle? Or maybe everyone works from home and doesn't travel at all? The next challenge is about heating in the home. Kerry emitted 197,000 tonnes of carbon dioxide in 2018. From the table on the right, we can see that houses in 1919 weren't built with energy in mind and consumed a vast amount of energy compared to houses built after 2011. The calculation at the bottom shows that houses in 1919 used 12.68 gigawatt hours of energy, whereas in 2011 that has been greatly reduced to 0.5. Some terms you might have heard about houses are passive houses, nearly zero energy buildings, or super homes. These are all buildings that are designed to use the least amount of energy and utilize renewable technologies to reduce energy usage even further. So is there something you think could benefit retrofitting a house, or do you think you have a solution while building a house? The third challenge is all about renewables. A total of €250 million was spent on imported fossil fuels in 2018, with an extra €10 million spent on solid fuels. By 2030, a big portion of energy consumed will come from electricity, as more and more people switch to better technologies. But what do you think are the best technologies? Are there technologies better suited to Kerry? Is it possible to move completely away from fossil fuels? Or is it even sunny enough for Kerry to have solar panels? If none of those projects entice you, you are able to create your own project. Once you have selected one of the challenges, using all the information given and your own research, a poster is to be created detailing what the challenge is and how you think you can solve it and reduce Kerry's energy demand.